In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Hootsuite for competitor analysis. Competitor analysis helps you understand how other brands are performing, so you can spot patterns and make smarter decisions. With Hootsuite, you can organize the data in a clear report and then review it in a way that makes comparisons easy. Open Hootsuite and look for the Analytics area. Depending on your dashboard layout, this might be a tab or a section on the main menu. This is the part of the platform where you can view performance data and build report views. Take a moment to click into Analytics, and then wait for the page to load so you can see the reporting options. Next, open a report if one already exists, or create a new report if you are starting from scratch. If there is an existing report that matches what you want, opening it can save time. If not, creating a new one is usually the best choice because it lets you set the right focus for your comparison. On screen, you should see options for choosing report type, date range, and the general layout. Select the option that allows you to proceed into the reporting workspace. Now you will add competitor metrics if your plan includes that feature. This part matters because it determines what data you can actually compare. Some Hootsuite plans may offer competitor-related metrics directly, while others may rely more on selecting profiles and measuring performance through available analytics. When you are prompted to add metrics, look for categories such as engagement, follower growth, and post performance. Choose the metrics that are relevant to your goals and make sure they will appear in your report. After that, you will compare engagement, follower growth, and post performance. This is where the analysis becomes meaningful, because you are not just viewing numbers in isolation. Engagement usually includes actions like likes, comments, shares, and clicks, depending on what your social networks support. Follower growth shows whether competitors are gaining attention over time. Post-performance highlights which content is doing well, such as posts with higher reach or better interaction. In your report view, look for charts, summaries, or side-by-side comparisons that let you quickly see differences between your competitors. As you compare, focus on trends rather than only single data points. For example, if engagement is consistently higher for one competitor, that can indicate a stronger content strategy or stronger audience alignment. If follower growth is flat for a competitor but their engagement spikes occasionally, it may suggest that certain posts perform well even if overall growth is slower. Hootsuite helps you spot these patterns by organizing the metrics into one place so you can review them calmly and systematically. Once your comparisons are in place, review the results. Spend a little time scanning the report to understand what stands out. Check whether engagement is improving, whether follower growth is accelerating, and whether post-performance is showing consistent strengths or occasional peaks. If the report includes time filters, make sure the date range is appropriate for what you are analyzing. A correct time window helps ensure your conclusions are based on comparable periods rather than mixed or uneven dates. Finally, export or share the report if needed. This step is useful if you want to send the findings to teammates, include them in a business review, or keep a record for later reference. Look for export options such as downloading a file or generating a shareable link, depending on what Hootsuite provides in your account. Choose the format that matches your workflow and confirm that the report looks correct before you share it. And that covers everything you need to know. You selected analytics, opened or created a report, added competitor metrics when available, compared engagement, follower growth, and post performance, reviewed the results, and exported or shared the report as needed.